That green-tinted oil in your pantry, it's more than just another bottle on the shelf. It's a culinary treasure waiting to be discovered. That's avocado oil, one of the most versatile and healthy oils you can use. Unlike many other oils, avocado oil is extracted from the creamy flesh of ripe avocados, not the seed, giving it a unique profile and a vibrant color. It has a high smoke point so you can sear, fry, or roast without burning your food. Whether you're making crispy potatoes, golden chicken, or perfectly roasted veggies, avocado oil stands up to the heat, making it a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. Packed with healthy fats and antioxidants, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Avocado oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are known to support heart health, and it contains vitamin E, lutein, and other nutrients that help protect your body from oxidative stress. Its mild, buttery flavor enhances dishes without overpowering them. It's subtle enough for delicate dressings, yet rich enough to add depth to grilled meats, roasted vegetables, or even baked goods. Use it for cooking, salad dressings, or as a finishing drizzle. Avocado oil fits almost any recipe. From sautéing and baking to blending into smoothies or drizzling over popcorn, its uses are nearly endless. But not all avocado oils are equal. Some are refined, losing nutrients and flavor in the process, while others are pure and unrefined, retaining all the goodness of the fruit. The best is cold-pressed, meaning it's extracted without high heat to preserve nutrients and flavor. This gentle process ensures the oil stays as close to its natural state as possible. Cold pressing keeps the oil pure and fresh, capturing the true essence of the avocado. The result is a vibrant, nutrient-rich oil that's as good for your body as it is for your taste buds. So, how does a bumpy green fruit become this liquid gold? The journey from orchard to bottle is a fascinating blend of nature, technology, and expertise. It's a journey of careful selection, powerful machines, and science. Only the best avocados are chosen, and every step is monitored to ensure quality and purity. We'll take you inside a modern avocado oil factory, following the fruit from farm to bottle. You'll see how each stage, from washing and pressing to filtering and bottling, is designed to preserve the oil's natural benefits. Ready to see how it's made? Let's dive in and discover the story behind the green gold in your kitchen. Every bottle of avocado oil starts in sun-soaked orchards where avocados ripen under watchful eyes. Farmers harvest the fruit at peak ripeness. Timing is everything for quality oil. Freshly picked avocados are quickly loaded onto refrigerated trucks to preserve freshness. When they arrive at the factory, each shipment is checked for quality and matched with paperwork detailing its origin and harvest date. Every batch gets a unique ID, tracking it from farm to bottle. Inspectors open crates, checking for perfect ripeness and firmness. Only the best avocados are accepted, the rest are rejected. Once approved, the fruit is unloaded and moved to a holding area. This careful handling ensures the oil starts with the freshest, highest quality avocados. The journey from orchard to oil begins here. Next, it's time for the transformation. Inside the factory, the journey of avocado oil begins with a meticulous wash. Avocados arrive in bulk, often covered in dust and debris from the orchards. Powerful jets of water and rotating brushes work together to scrub away every trace of dirt, ensuring the fruit is spotless before moving forward. This step is crucial, as any leftover residue could affect the purity and taste of the final oil. Next, the avocados are funneled into specialized machines that swiftly de-stone and peel them. These machines are designed to maximize efficiency, separating the valuable green flesh from the tough skin and large pit in a matter of seconds. The flesh is what holds the precious oil, so this step is all about precision and minimizing waste. The separated flesh is then mashed into a creamy paste and transferred to a malaxer. Here, the paste is gently churned at low temperatures, a process known as cold pressing. This careful churning helps preserve the delicate flavors, vibrant color, and nutrients that make avocado oil so prized. The cold pressing stage is essential for maintaining the oil's natural qualities. The goal during malaxing is to coax tiny oil droplets to merge, forming larger droplets that can be more easily separated. Technicians closely monitor the process, ensuring the temperature stays low and the paste is churned just right. This gentle approach helps preserve both flavor and nutrients, resulting in a healthier, tastier oil. Once the oil droplets have formed, the paste is pumped into a decanter centrifuge. This powerful machine spins at high speeds, using centrifugal force to separate the oil from water and solid avocado pulp. The rapid spinning is key to extracting as much oil as possible while keeping the process efficient and clean. Inside the centrifuge, heavier solids are flung outward to the edges, while the lighter oil and water collect in the center. This separation is both fast and precise, ensuring that only the purest oil moves on to the next stage. The mixture of oil and water is then directed into a vertical separator, which spins even faster than the decanter. This final spin removes the last traces of water and pulp, leaving behind only the clear, golden-green avocado oil. Technicians keep a close eye on this step, as even a small amount of water can affect the oil's shelf life and quality. What emerges is vibrant, clear, cold-pressed avocado oil, rich in color and bursting with nutrients. This oil is now ready for the next phase, but its journey is far from over. Before bottling, the oil undergoes a series of rigorous laboratory tests. Technicians check for purity, flavor, and nutritional content, ensuring every batch meets strict quality standards. Only oil that passes these tests will make it to the shelves. Throughout the entire process, each step is carefully monitored for both quality and efficiency. Advanced sensors and control panels track temperature, pressure, and flow rates, guaranteeing consistency from start to finish. The result is pure, fresh avocado oil, filtered and ready for the next stage of its journey. This oil is now at its peak, nutritious, flavorful, and ready to be enjoyed. From humble fruit to liquid gold, the transformation is swift, precise, and a testament to modern engineering. Each machine plays a vital role in turning avocados into a premium oil cherished around the world. But the story doesn't end here. Quality control is just getting started, with further checks to ensure every drop meets the highest standards. Each batch is tracked with digital systems, barcodes, and meticulous records, guaranteeing traceability from orchard to bottle. With every step, technology and expertise combine to create avocado oil of the highest quality. Now, let's see what happens next on its journey to your table. Quality control starts with tracking. Every batch gets a unique ID linked to its farm, harvest date, and every step in the process. This ID follows the oil from arrival to bottling, ensuring full traceability. If there's ever a question about a bottle, we can trace it back to the exact orchard and day it was picked. Technicians log machine settings, yields, and test results under each batch ID. Any discrepancies in yield or quality trigger immediate investigation. Constant monitoring and data logging keep the process transparent and efficient. This system guarantees consistency and accountability. Every bottle's story is recorded, ensuring only the best oil reaches you. Next, the oil faces its first real test, our senses. Before lab tests, we rely on our senses, sight and smell, to judge the oil's quality. Trained technicians swirl and sniff a sample, searching for a clean, buttery aroma with hints of fresh-cut grass. Any off smells mean the batch is flagged for review. Next, they inspect the oil's color and clarity. Top-quality oil glows vibrant green with golden hues. Excessive cloudiness or dull color signals a problem. No artificial colors, just natural consistency, batch after batch. This sensory check is our first line of defense. Only oil that passes these tests moves forward. It's a blend of art and science, ensuring every batch meets our standards. If it passes, it's time for the lab. Let's see what science reveals. In the lab, samples undergo rigorous chemical analysis. We test acidity. Low levels mean fresh, high-quality oil. A refractometer checks the oil's purity by measuring how light bends through it. Pure avocado oil has a unique refractive index. Any deviation signals impurities or adulteration. We measure polyphenols, antioxidants that boost health, and viscosity, ensuring the oil's texture stays consistent in any kitchen. Heat stability is tested by raising the oil's temperature and watching for breakdown or color change. Every result is logged under the batch ID for full traceability. Only oil that passes every test is approved. This scientific scrutiny guarantees purity, nutrition, and performance. The oil is almost ready for you, but first, it must earn final approval. All test results and data are compiled into a final report for each batch. A quality assurance manager reviews every detail: acidity, purity, aroma, color, and yield. Only if every metric meets strict standards does the manager sign off. The batch is officially marked approved for shipment. This sign-off is the ultimate quality guarantee. Only then does the oil move to bottling and packaging. No shortcuts, no exceptions. This final check ensures every bottle is as fresh and pure as promised. Our commitment: consistent, premium avocado oil every time. Now it's time to pack and ship. Once the oil has passed all quality checks, it's carefully pumped into the state-of-the-art bottling line, where every step is monitored to maintain the highest standards of hygiene and efficiency. Here, sterilized glass bottles are automatically filled with the fresh avocado oil and immediately sealed, locking in both flavor and nutritional value, while protecting the oil from exposure to air and contaminants. Each bottle is then labeled with detailed nutritional information, as well as a unique lot number that links it directly to its production batch, ensuring complete traceability from the factory to the consumer's table. The labeled bottles are carefully packed into sturdy, protective boxes, designed to prevent breakage and keep the bottles secure during handling and transit. These boxes are then stacked onto pallets and tightly wrapped in plastic film, creating stable, secure loads that are ready for transport and minimizing the risk of damage. Each pallet receives a shipping label with detailed destination and tracking information, making it easy to follow every shipment as it moves through the supply chain. For international orders, the team prepares all necessary customs paperwork and official certificates of origin, ensuring the oil meets global standards and can be delivered smoothly across borders. Before any shipment leaves the facility, a final integrity scan is performed using advanced scanners, verifying that every box is accounted for and securely packed. Once cleared, the sealed containers are logged into the system and carefully loaded onto trucks, ready to begin their journey to distribution centers and retailers. Throughout the entire process, quality control inspectors monitor every stage, ensuring that the oil's purity and freshness are preserved from the moment it's bottled until it reaches its destination. Every movement, from the factory floor to the loading dock, is handled with care and precision, reflecting the dedication of everyone involved in bringing this premium oil to market. Now, the avocado oil is on its way, traveling from the production facility to stores, restaurants, and kitchens around the world, ready to be enjoyed. But the journey isn't over yet. Each bottle still has a story to tell as it makes its way to tables and recipes everywhere, delivering quality and flavor with every drop. Pallets arrive at climate-controlled warehouses, protected from light, heat, and air to keep the oil fresh. Inventory is scanned and tracked, ensuring we know exactly what's in stock and where. We use first in, first out, so the oldest oil ships first, guaranteeing freshness on store shelves. Orders from stores are picked, scanned, and shipped quickly and accurately. This organization prevents mistakes and keeps shelves stocked. From orchard to warehouse, every step preserves the oil's natural goodness. The next time you use avocado oil, remember the care and science behind every drop. It's more than an ingredient. It's a promise of quality from farm to table. Enjoy the green gold in your kitchen. Thanks for joining us on this journey.